Ladies and gentlemen, close your eyes for a second. Not now, but in your mind. Close them to this moment and open them to a distant mirror. Standing in front of you is your future self. Older, wiser, hardened by time, yet softened by truth. They are not a stranger. They are who you become if you fight, if you rise, if you dare. Now open your eyes, because here's the truth most people run from. Your future self is watching, right now. Watching every excuse you make. Watching every moment you scroll instead of strive. Watching every time you settle, shrink, or run. And they are silently begging, don't quit on me, because that version of you, the one who made it, was built from these very moments. From the lonely nights you kept going, from the failures you refused to let define you, from the pain you turned into power. Discipline is not just a habit, it is a promise to the person you are becoming. Resilience is not just a trait, it is a tribute to the storms you'll survive. Vision is not just a dream, it is a voice whispering from the future. Don't stop, you're almost me. Look, no one is coming to save you. No one owes you the life you dream of. But the magic is this: you already have what it takes. So rise, burn through the doubt, drown out the fear, silence the voices that say you can't, and scream with your actions, watch me. Because one day when the dust settles and your journey nears its end, you will meet your future self in full. And when you do, may they look you in the eye, smile with tears, and say, thank you, you made me proud.